everyone! How are you doing today? Oh, excuse me, I just hiccup because my name is Miss Hiccup. So some of you might remember me and some of you might don't know about me at all. But I just want to say hello to you because I know that most of you are so tired or bored, or even some of you might feel really sad because you're alone just like me. So today I want to give you my favorite song. It's an old Japanese song called Sukiyaki. So here we go. 上を向いて歩こう涙がこぼれないように思い出す春の日ひとりぼっちの夜思い出す夏の日ひとりぼっちの夜幸せは雲の上に幸せは空の上に上を向いて歩こう涙がこぼれないように思い出す春の日ひとりぼっちの夜ひとりぼっちの夜 How was it? I hope you like it. And I believe that we can get through this and see each other again in the near future. So when we see each other, let's hug each other. Okay? Stay tough, be happy, love, and beer.